So Sony Display have always managed to achieve the world's first display tag. Back in 2012, the company's Ericsson Xperia S was one of the first smartphones to rock a 720p screen. In September 2015, they launched the world's first smartphone with 4K display, and the device was the Xperia Z5 Premium. Recently, the Xperia 1 debuted with world's first 4K HDR OLED display. Now, Sony is looking to outdo itself with the Xperia 2 or the speculated 1R, taking it to a whole new level by introducing the world's first smartphone with 5K display resolution. We have a leak that shows a Sony smartphone with 5040 into 2160 pixels, making it the first 5K resolution screen on a modern phone. It has a model number J8220, and leakers believe it could be the Xperia 1R. Again, it follows a 21:9 aspect ratio screen just like the Xperia 1, but the size of the display is 6.1 inches, which is smaller than the Xperia 1 6.5 inches. Interestingly, this implementation would put the pixel density at 899 ppi. Honestly speaking, 5K display sounds so impressive that I cannot wait to experience this in real life. But then if we consider this, it's not actually needed. I'm not speaking of the future, but if you realize the current scenario, even 4K displays are unnecessary pricey implementation for a phone. So 5K display doesn't make any sense, at least for a 6.1-inch smartphone. It's like they're doing this to increase the competition, get an edge in this industry, or maybe for virtual reality. Since there's this increasing hype for this particular hardware, Sony Xperia 1R may get the required boost by the people who love VR. Also, this might set a competition among the gaming phones. The phone will obviously take the advantages of the newly announced Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus, and with the required RAM and storage capacity, it wouldn't be surprising if the phone does well in the market. I'm curious to know about the battery capacity of the phone, because a 3200 mAh unit will not be able to handle a 5K display for a long time, and it may end up giving us a disappointing screen on time. That being said, the Sony Xperia 1R is expected to go official in early September at IFA 2019 in Berlin, and before the launch, there's a lot more to talk about this because we want to know about the battery, camera, and the look. Maybe Sony has something special this time as they are launching a successor to the Xperia 1, which is a very special phone. For daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.